Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes, and I'm at a really fun event here, actually not too far from my house. There's an amazing lady, her name is Crystal Katana, and look what she has made. This thing is awesome. Look at the car, it's so cool. So she ran a contest where she's been decorating up this amazing car, blinging it all out with crystals and using her crystal katana, which you can see here. And then she's road tripping this across the United States from California all the way over to New York, and she happened to stop here in Austin, Texas, because she's delivering this amazing blinged out car to the winner that's on the other side of the country. So she's making these little pit stops and kind of showing off the car. So we're gonna get a little interview with her and talk to her about how she went through and did all this, how long it took her, and also all the crazy adventures as she's traveling across the country to deliver the car to the winner.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelly DeFries, the Crystal Ninja, and we are here outside of Austin to show our Swarovski crystal and Kira glass rhinestone car. We did this project as a company promotion, and we were all sent home for COVID, so we worked on this in my home garage. We taught it for months, showed how to use all the glue and the crystals on the car parts. This is a real car. It can be driven. It can go through the car wash. It's very strong. And we have all the kits that you can DIY. And so it took us right at a couple of months to finish it, and then we gave it away. That's right. We had a contest. We gave it away. And the winner is actually in Pennsylvania, so we're driving it across country, stopping at all of our largest customer base and showing it off, having meet and greets, and then we're going to give it away. Well, hopefully we get there by Tuesday into Pennsylvania, and then we are done. We're flying back home to San Diego.
What are some of the reactions as you're driving through the freeway and as you're going across the country?
When we mostly are with a ton of the larger trucks, of course, the 18-wheelers, and we get a ton of thumbs up, we get a ton of hang loose, we get a ton of just in the window, we just get clap, clap, clap. It's the best ever, so nothing but smiles, and it's been a blast.
How can they find you?
Yeah, on our site is crystalninja.com, and there's a category called Chow Ninja. We figured we put the Italian with the Japanese for Chow Ninja, and we have the kits there, the videos, all linked to our YouTube channel that has the whole process there as well.
So thank you guys so much for joining. Check her out. She's absolutely awesome. I have used her crystal, the katana, for so long. I absolutely love it. I will link all of her links down in the bottom, and also her supplies that you can get all down in the information section. Go check her out. If you were on her road trip, she is on Instagram and Facebook, and she has her little map, and I know she's sitting at a couple other places here in Texas, and then she's making her way all the way across, and I think you're getting all the way to New York.
All the way to New York and then to Pittsburgh, yep.
So cool. So if you see this little crystal car running around, give her a wave, give her a shout out, give her a little honk, and I hope to see you guys again soon.
Bye guys.
Bye everybody.
That's awesome.
So I think I can see them.
I think we're in the middle, yeah.